Hello everyone, and welcome back to techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more new topic, and this is related to the extract data table. So already, this is also doing on the YouTube side. So already I have did one video. So in that video, we are able to get, we are able to extract all the data. So that is a older version. So right now we have this new version. So this version is 23.12.0. So in this version, what happened now? So when I trying to extract this data table, let me show the scenario. So this is a thing. So when I want to try to extract, so you can see here only I'm able to extract this URL, but I'm not able to this extract this text. So this text also how we can extract. So this is the concept. So we'll try with UiPath. So let me select this first thing, and as usual, the second thing I'm selecting this one. So let it wait and so I have selected the respective data. So now I'm getting this all the relative data and just here I will just check preview. So just I got this only the URLs. Apart from nothing, I am not getting anything. Okay, now let me close this and save and close. So now I'm able to fetch data, partial data. So it's not full-fledged data, but it's a partial data. So let me check this variable data. This I will remove and okay, that's fine. So now next I'm using this. I want to get data from this name now. So let me take this get text activity. So you can use anything span classic or modern. So right now I'm going with this get text and I'm trying to fetch this data. So when I check this one, I have this data, but just observe here. So every time my area label is won't be the same. So it might be differ. And I want to extract all the things whatever are available in this. So first I need to fetch this one, second like this, we need to go. So if you go with this method, so we are not able to fetch. So let me open in the UI Explorer. So now already we get to know so the links. So basically we are getting the links from this data table, previous what you extracted. So with this data, we are not able to extract that data. So every time my area label name or maybe the AA name, it will be changed. So because when I go and check here, so each and every video has a different name. So now what will you know? So we can just go with the a video title link. So just activated this and after this just check the selector. So when you check the selector items, let me expand this a little bit more. So we can see this ANM. So anyway, ANM is not standard. So I don't want that. And CSS selector also is not required. So when you check here, HERF, so hypertext references, which having this some data like as URL. Okay. And TS is we can replace with a star. So let me replace this everything with this star. Let me make a star. So now I will try to validate this and I will highlight. So now data has been highlighted. So we can fetch the data. So let me save it and go back to your part studio and this is done. So now we have, we're getting all the links and we have this get text activity also. So now what we need to know, so we need to get for each data row table, just drag and drop. After this extracted data table, update this. Okay, just I will loop. So I want to get this URL. So how it's look like. So let me keep one message box and I will just run this one. So as of now, I'm giving this empty data table. Empty that message box. Let me run this. So just we want to check how many slashes are coming. So some other data is there, no? So we want to check that. So let me extract that data, and we got it. So it looping each and everything. The first I will check here current row of 0. So anyway, I have the rows only one row. Sorry, current row of 0 dot to string. So when you check this here, so I have this double, I mean forward slashes are there. So now what I will do now, so I will use this split. Okay, split function. This is my string. So what I want to split, I want to split by forward slash. Okay, let me execute this. So I have this four things. So HTTPS is there, www.youtube.com is there, and watch question mark. We got this data. So now just make this as of 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me give here 3. So we got this data. Okay, this one we can create one variable. So let me take this and I will go here and I will create one as an activity. So in that as an activity, I will store that name. So let me drag and drop and I make this as href text. Or else if you want, you can make another name also, it's fine. So let me open this and done. So whatever the data we are getting that each and every link line, it will come. So now this one just update here and later edit selector. So whatever you are getting now, so this star also it's not required. So we are getting full-fledged data. Just remove and control key and just pass this variable. So now what it will do now, so it will loop each and everything. So once this is done, so we can create one more extra data table. So I hope you know so how we can create that extracted data. I mean how we can create that build data table, everything. So now I will just run this thing. So let me put message box. Message box. I will just show the here. So how the data will come. So under this I need to create one variable. So I make it as name and I will display the same thing in message box. Let me run this one and we'll check whether it is working fine or not. So just step into that and we'll run this. So now we'll see. So whether it will give this message box name or not. We'll check that one. So I think it will throw this error. So actually I added one more thing. I will tell you. So why it's occurring that error as well, I will tell you. So let it wait for the failed one. Okay, now it's not failed. So generally, so our text will be like this. Let me show you the original text. So when you try on the element side now, so I got this data like this. Okay, and when you check our current row, 0 dot to string, so the data is like this. Okay, so now what happened is here ampersand and AMPT colon TS equals to 30, I mean 3 seconds. Huh? So this data we are not getting from here. So when you check here, ampersand T equal to 3 seconds. So basically, we will need to remove that data as well. So for that purpose, I'm using this again string operation I did. So now we get only the data for the this data. Okay, so still I'm getting this error. So why means, so I have not added this data. So now what I will do now, just stop this one and go to this inside the selector and I will make this as here one more star button. So let me add this star as well. So let me go inside and I will ask hashtag. So let me run this. So now it will get all this data. So in anyway, you need to build one more data table and you can pass this data. Or else you can use Excel activities for it, maybe it will work. So now if you go and check, let me go to this UiPath. So this is my first video and I will run for 3 to 4 iterations. So this is my second video name and third video name and 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So it will loop all each and every name. So you can just append to one data table and you can finally store into the Excel file. So this is the method how we can extract the inner text of the each and every file name. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.